Very happy to be here again today. I welcome you all to Lasogenic BIZZTALK. Alright, in today's video, I will be talking on the latest update on Hugevers platform. So I'm going to give you the present situation of things about the withdrawal there, and I would like you to know that it is very, very important that you watch this video to the very end so that you know the right decision to take at this particular point in time. Okay, once again, this channel is dedicated to giving you financial education and not financial advice. Alright, if you are new on Last Journey BIZZTALK, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next update. Alright, this is some ways whereby I've been making money online, and I think it's worth sharing with you guys. Alright, okay, for now, let me take you directly to the platform Hugevers. Okay, it is right here. Okay, right here. Okay, Hugevers is a platform whereby you are to do a particular task. So you complete a particular task after you subscribe to a particular package on daily basis, and you get paid for that. So in short, let me explain to you how it works if you are still new on it. So this is how it works. For instance, I'm having 13,000 naira plus here, and I'm going for the suitable package, so I can go for the package of 900, 4,000 and 12,000. So let's assume I'm going for that package of 12,000 naira. These are the tasks that I need to do. There will be 18 orders for me to complete on daily basis to get the full payment of 1,036 naira daily here. All right, so this is how it goes. I click on receive orders, then confirm. So this will start. So this is that. I'm going to do it repeatedly for 18 times for me to have the total amount of 1,036 naira for a day. So per order, I'm getting 57 naira based on the package that I am. But this is not what we are really talking about today, because the essence of having an online money making platform is for you to invest, or is for you to put some money there and get your money back with interest. But it's quite unfortunate that for some days now, many users of this platform, they have been unable to withdraw, to get their withdrawal in their bank account, in which I also am one of them. For instance, let me take you to the withdrawal record. Here. Okay, top up and withdraw. So these are the withdrawal records. So I withdrew this 4,300 successfully. It was successful, but while this one, which is 5,400, this 5,400 is still in the withdrawal processing stage. Since 21st of August 2022. And no, today's date, that's like 3 days ago. And normally it shouldn't take more than 24 hours for it to reflect in our respective bank accounts. So this is a scam alert. I'm not in the position to call any online investment a scam or legit, but we can all see the writings on the wall. So I just advise you that you should stay away from it for now. If you are interested, if you want to invest online, then for now, pending the time that everything will be resolved as they are promised on their Telegram channel, I want you guys to stay away from Hugevers for now. Don't put your money for now. You can still be doing the daily tasks, so that if anything should happen, so that probably it comes back, then you will have your money to withdraw there. All right, so that is what I have to tell you, because the withdrawal is not reflecting in our respective bank as for now. Though this platform is similar to Fire VIP, and the experiences that we have with Fire VIP made us to also come into Hugevers with full force. But it's quite unfortunate that Hugevers is not up to a month, and they are not having this issue. So that is the reason why I do advise you to invest responsibly, invest what you can afford to lose, and don't put all your eggs in one basket. Whenever you are making money on any online investment platform, make sure you are diversifying. Don't rely on that platform alone, because anything can befall it. There are several unforeseen circumstances that can befall any online investment, even physical business. And mind you, you are not in charge of this business. It is online, and there's no one that you can trace your money to. So it is very, very important that you should know this before you are going into any online investment. And don't be greedy, be smart. diversify. So these are all what I do preach, so that if anything should happen, the effect it will be very, very less. There will be less effect on you because you have already diversified and you are withdrawing when due. Thank you so much for watching this video. For those of you that lose a particular amount of money in Hugevers, I pray that God, you will be restored. You'll be restored, and that's not the end of the day. That's not the end of the way. And don't say that because you have your past experience with some online investing platform, you won't go into any other. Okay, I think you are just trying to concede the defeat. So you just need to get up, dust your feet, and continue with your journey. You surely get there. So that's my own advice for you. Thanks so much for watching this video once again. This is Last Journey BIZZTALK. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly do that now. Click on the subscription button. Then also click on the notification bell, turn it to all notification for you to be continually aware of the next update. And if truly this video added value to you, if truly it is meaningful and useful, then please like this video and share with your friends and family, so that it can serve as a warning for some that are maybe made that are in the edge of investing in Hugevers, so that it can be a warning to them, so that it will direct them, it will make them not to invest for now. So we just need to save a friend. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you. Bye for now.